Hello peeps. Now this is a bit of a rant about Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. Now I don't normally spend a lot of time on the book of the face. I log in, do my bits, and then I'm out of there. However, when I do log on, there always seems to be some picture of a poorly child, a wounded soldier, or some skewered animal with the accusing assertion that if you don't like this, then you don't care. No! It doesn't mean that at all, actually. What it actually means is that some spotty geek has harvested some sort of traumatic photo off the internet, manufactured some spurious hard luck story to go with it, and then attempted to coerce you into liking it by means of the if you don't like it then you don't care device. And all this purely so he can top the record for the number of likes to his own posts. Yeah, well, don't send it to me because I don't like being coerced and I am not playing the game. And the same goes for these "this day only happens once in every 25,000 years, click like now and you will become rich" posts. These too usually have coercive warnings on the bottom such as "share this post within 5 minutes or your legs will fall off," or some such threatening nonsense. Come on people, get a grip. This is palpable lunacy. This is a bag of rectums. If tosh such as this was true, then most of the planet would be rich. Nobody would go to work and the world would grind to a halt. Trust me, nothing will happen. I've never shared one of these things in my life, and my legs have never fallen off.